Good afternoon, students. In this lecture we are going to study some important terms used in coordination chemistry. First term is coordination pair. For example, in this complex central metal ion is iron and 6 cyanide ligands are directly attached to central metal ion iron. Then what is meant by coordination pair? Every coordination compound is divided into two parts. First is coordination pair and second is counter ions. First of all, what is meant by coordination pair? In this complex, central metal ion and ligands linked to it are enclosed in a square bracket that is called as coordination pair. That means in this example, central metal and ligands are attached to it are enclosed in a square bracket that is called as coordination pair. Therefore, this is coordination pair. Then another part of every coordination compound is counter ions. Second term is counter ion, or it is also called as ionizable ions. Ionizable groups shown outside the square bracket, that is called as counter ion. In this coordination compound, if this complex is dissociated, it is dissociated in aqueous solution, that is water, to form 4 K plus ions and -4. These K plus ions, which are right outside the square bracket, are called as counter ions. Therefore, these 4 potassium ions are called as counter ion. In this way, every coordination compound is made up of counter ion and coordination pair. Coordination pair, write in square bracket, and outside the square bracket, that are ionizable groups called as counter ions. Then next term is complex ion. Third term is complex ion. What is meant by complex ion? When coordination pair comprising central metal ion which are surrounded by ligands together carry a net charge called as complex ion. For example, -4. In this complex central metal ion and it is surrounded by 6 cyanide ligand, and this complex having net -4 charge, therefore it is called as complex ion. Another example of complex ion is it is also complex ion. In this case, central metal ion cobalt is attached to 6 amine ligand and it carry net +3 charge, therefore it is called as complex ion. These are the three important terms regarding every coordination compounds. Then what is meant by fourth term, which is very important? What is meant by coordination number of central metal ion? Fourth term is coordination number. In short, it is also called as CN, that is coordination number of central metal ion. It is very important term regarding every coordination compound. For example, in this complex, central metal ion is cobalt. Cobalt is attached to 4 amine or ammonia molecules and 2 chloride ions. That is total 6 ligands are attached to central metal ion to form 6 coordinate bond with central metal ion. In this way, cobalt is attached to 4 ammonia molecules and 2 chloride ions. Cobalt having +2 oxidation state. That is, in this complex, central metal cobalt is attached to 6 ligands, out of which 4 are amine molecule and 2 are chloride ion. Therefore, all these ligands are monodentate ligand. That means they can donate only 1 electron pair to the central metal ion to form 1 coordinate bond by every ligand. Therefore, there are 6 donor atoms surrounding cobalt ion. Therefore, coordination number of cobalt +2 ion is coordination number of cobalt +2 ion is 6, because 6 monodentate ligands are attached to cobalt ion. Therefore, coordination number of metal ion attached to monodentate ligand is equal to number of ligands bound to it. But in this case, all ligands are attached to cobalt are monodentate. Therefore, its coordination number is equal to number of ligands are attached to cobalt. It is different in case of bidentate ligand. For example, second example, in this complex ion, central metal cobalt having +3 oxidation state, but it is attached to 3 ethylene diamine, which is bidentate ligand. It is attached to 3 ethylene diamine ligands. Therefore, total donor atoms in 3 ethylene diamines are 6. How ethylene diamine can donate 2 electron pair to central metal ion is represented as central metal cobalt, ethylene diamine. What is the formula for ethylene diamine? CH2 twice, NH2 and NH2. This is one ethylene diamine molecule or a ligand. one ethylene diamine consists of two donor atom, that is two nitrogen atom. Therefore it can donate two electron pair to the central metal ion and can form two coordinate bond. That means one ethylene diamine can form two coordinate bond with central metal ion because it contains two donor atom. Similarly, another ethylene diamine CH2 twice, NH2 and NH2. This is second ethylene diamine molecule. It also can form two coordinate bond with central metal ion like this. Then third ethylene diamine molecule, CH2 twice, NH2, NH2. Third ethylene diamine, it also donate two electron pair to the central metal ion and can form two coordinate bond. Therefore, total coordinate bond formed by three ethylene diamine are 6. Therefore, coordination number of cobalt plus 3 ion is 6. Because ethylene diamine is bidentate ligand, it can donate two electron pair to the central metal ion. Therefore, 3 ethylene diamine can form 6 coordinate bond with central metal ion. By using these two examples, we can define what is coordination number of central metal ion. Coordination number of metal ion in complex is the number of electron pair donated by ligands to the central metal ion, or it is also defined as number of electron pair involved in formation of coordinate bond. In this example, total 6 electron pairs are involved in formation of coordinate bond. Therefore, coordination number of central metal ion is 6. Generally, what is the coordination number of central metal ion? Coordination number of central metal ion is number of electron pairs involved in formation of coordinate bond. Now, third example, in this case C2O4, that means oxalato. It is also bidentate ligand. Central metal cobalt is attached to two oxalate ligands. It can be represented by, then question arises, what is the coordination number of central metal cobalt? Cobalt plus 3 oxidation state, here also plus 3 oxidation state, cobalt plus 3, it is surrounded by two oxalate ligands which are bidentate. How oxalate ligand can be represented as C2O4. This negatively charged oxygen can donate electron pair to the central metal ion, can form two coordinate bond. Similarly, another oxalate ligand second oxalate ligand also donate two electron pair. Therefore, number of electron pair involved in formation of coordinate bond are 4. Therefore, coordination number of cobalt plus 3 iron is 4. This is about coordination number of central metal ion. Then next point is, these are the 4 important terms used in coordination chemistry. The next point is double salt and coordination complex. What is the difference between double salt and coordination complex? Examples of double salts. For example, Mohor salt is the example of double salt. Formula for Mohor salt: ferrous Mohor salt is also called as ferrous ammonium sulfate. Six water molecule. If this double salt is dissolved in water, it dissociates completely into its ions as Fe plus 2 plus twice NH4 plus twice ammonium ions and 2 sulfate ions. In this way, every double salt is dissociates completely in water into its ions. Second double salt is carnallite. Formula for carnallite: KCl, MgCl2, 6 water molecule. It also completely dissociates in aqueous solution into its ions K plus, Mg plus 2, 3Cl minus. Third example of double salt is potash alum. K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice and 24 water molecule. This is the formula for potash alum. It is also example of double salt, which also completely dissociates in aqueous solution into its ions 2K plus 2Al plus 3 plus 4SO4 minus 2, that is sulfate ion, aqueous. Therefore, we can say that double salt dissociates completely in aqueous solution into their ions. That means double salt does not maintain their identity in aqueous solution, but exactly opposite to double salt, coordination complex dissociate in water in only 2 ions. One is ionizable ion and second is coordination pair. For example, coordination complex, for example, if this complex, name of this complex is potassium hexacyano ferrate second ion. If it dissolve in water, it can form only two ions. It is does not completely dissociated into aqueous solution. It can form only ionizable ion and coordination pair. That means it dissociates into only 4K plus ions and -4. This is ionizable, that is counter ion. Counter ions, and this is coordination pair. Coordination pair. This is the main difference between double salt and complex salt. Double salt is completely dissociate in aqueous solution. That means it does not maintain their identity in aqueous solution. But in complex salt, it does not completely dissociated in aqueous solution. It can form only two ions. One is counter ion and another is coordination pair. That means we can say that coordination complex maintain their identity in aqueous solution. This is the main difference between double salt and complex salt. This is all about double salt and complex salt. Next point we will discuss in next lecture.